Good morning, first graders. This is Mr. Stevenson coming at you from his living room. Today is April 2nd, 2020. Let's talk about what we did yesterday and what we'll be doing today. So yesterday we completed the 4-1 items. Today we'll do the 4-2 items. So first up will be the high frequency worksheet, but first I need to introduce our high frequency words. So this one's a long one, so get ready. This is through, the word through. Now this isn't like I threw post-it notes at the computer. This is I'm going to go through the door and into a new room. So this is like you're going somewhere through the hallway. You are calm when you go through the hallway with your lunch tray. Is that true? This next one describes all of you. Great. You guys are doing great work from home. I'm proud of you. Keep up the good work. Okay, go ahead and another long one. Oops, just gave it away. The word is another. I'm going to make another video, maybe after this one. I have to decide if I'm going to change shirts or not, just to make you think it's a different day. Another. Full. Notice that it has a bonus L. My belly is full at the moment because I just ate breakfast. This next one is climb. I like to go to the mountains and climb up to the top most every weekend, but I haven't been because I've been staying put at home. And our last word is the word pour. Now this isn't like pour me another drink. This is like I don't have any money, so I'm poor. Okay, I'm going to pause the video here, but you guys probably want to keep it playing, and in a second, you'll see the words right there. Boom! And magically there are the words. All right, guys, so what I'm going to have you do are work on your high frequency worksheet, which looks something like this, and I'm going to have you pause the video, and when you're ready to see some answers, you can hit play. Okay, guys, hopefully you just completed your high frequency worksheet. It should look something like that. And if you are happy with your work, you can ask someone to give you a Mr. Stevenson bad hair day. Okay, so next up is going to be our math pages. And today we're doing pages 202 and 203. Now, I got to be honest, when I made these copies, I did them in black and white because they copy a little bit faster, and there were a lot of copies that needed to be made. However, this is one of those where I made a mistake doing it in black and white. This is going to be tricky to do in black and white, so I'm going to use mine as kind of an example. And you know what? I can do this on the computer. Hang on. Okay, guys, hopefully this looks a little bit better. It's easier for me to show you what to do when it's in color and you have black and white copies that don't really show the differences. Okay, so up here on 9.2, on page 202, it says, look at this picture. How many more blocks do you need to draw to make the pan balance true? How do you know? So let's see how many we have on this side. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if I hit this button, I should be able to write a 6. Then we have in purple 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now I bet you guys can write better using a writing utensil than I can use using my finger. Okay. So a lot of kids, here's what they do. They do 6 plus 5. Oh, and that equals 11. Well, that's not what it's asking for, because it's asking for you to build 11 a different way. So in order to build 11 a different way, one part will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So if 6 plus 5, if we know this is 11, oh boy, we need to make this side 11. So if you start at 9, we need to draw, well, let's draw some boxes to see how far we get to. Okay. There's one box, two boxes, so 9, 10, 11. So we had to draw 2. So the idea is it wants you to make the whatever number the same in 2 different ways. So 6 plus 5 is 11, 9 plus 2 is also 11. Okay. And you try the next one. So on this side we have how many pinks? Yeah. 6 pinks. And how many oranges? 1, 2, 3. So 3. And then this brownish color, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so what's missing? So we know 6 plus 3 on this side is 9, and we need 9 over here, and so far we have 8. So let's keep adding boxes. 8 plus 1 more gets us, 9. So is 6 plus 3 the same as 8 plus 1? Definitely. Okay. Try a little bit of a darker color, see if that helps. All right. For B, let's count these blue ones. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 blues. And let's count these greens. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now let's count these browns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so over here, 10 plus 5 more. What could that be? Yeah, 10 plus 5 is 15, so we need 15 over here. So we have 10, so let's just keep drawing. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now I bet if you guys are using a pencil or something, you can make them the same size, but we'll see. So how many did I draw? Yeah, I drew 5. Wait a minute. Is 10 plus 5 the same as 10 plus 5? Oh yeah, that makes sense then. Is 15 the same as 15? Oh yeah, cool. All right, let's try the one down here. Okay. Let's see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 purples. And 1, 2, 3, 4 oranges. And 1, 2, 3 blues. So on this side of our pan balance, we have 4 plus 4, which is 8. Here we only have 3, so we need to keep going until we get to 8. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so how many did I draw? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh yeah, 5. Now is 4 plus 4 the same as 3 plus 3? Yeah, it's a little bit different, but 4 plus 4 is 8. 3 plus 5 is 8. Good. And let's try the next one. Okay, let's count these purples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there's 12 purples, and there's just 1 green. Then there's all these yellows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, good. And so 12 plus 1 is 13. So our goal is to kind of make, oh boy, I tried to make the 5 neater and I messed up. Okay. So we have 13 on this side, so we need 13 on this side. So I'm going to start drawing. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So how many did I draw? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, good. So 12 plus 1 is 13. 5 plus 8 is also 13. Good. Hopefully, these are starting to make some sense. Okay, what I'm going to have you do is I'm going to pause talking, and I'm going to have you try this page, and hopefully when I come back, I'll have all the numbers in, and you can check out your work. Okay guys, hopefully you figured out that I was able to put the math answers up in the video just right before this. I've never actually done it that way before, so hopefully that worked out okay. Kind of next up is I'm going to have you write a letter to a friend, so you'll need, there it is, the paper, and you need the big long line on top, and I've modeled this a few times, so what you need to make sure you have is a capital letter, period, question mark, or exclamation point, finger spaces, write a letter for each sound that you hear, and use kind words. I am continue to be amazed at how much you guys are reading on Epic. I think that next year's first graders will have to probably spend a lot of time on Epic because it seems like it's quite popular. I know that when you guys are in second grade that you'll use Epic quite a bit, so I'm glad you're getting familiar with it now. I'm going to end the day off by doing a read aloud to you. It is called Pig the Pug. Then it's crossed off. It says Pig the Fibber. We don't have any fibbers. And it's also by Aaron Blelby, just like our previous story was. Pig was a pug, and I'm sorry to say he would often tell lies just to get his own way. And when he would fib, he was awfully clever. When Pig got in trouble, he would always blame Trevor. Hopefully you guys, if you get in trouble, you don't blame someone else for it. You see, he would mess up the living room mat, and then he'd just point and say, Trevor did that. Or he'd shatter a beautiful vase full of flowers, and then he'd say, Trevor's been crazy for hours. He once even ripped up a lovely old dress. Then he hid it behind Trevor and made him confess. Why do you do this? Asked poor little Trevor. I thought we were friends. But Pig said, whatever. That doesn't sound very friendly. Then came the day of Pig's sneakiest plan. He said, I will steal all the treats that I can. They keep them up there in the closet up high, but before I get them, I need a good lie. Don't try this at home. And with that, he let rip. It was stinky and grim. Then he pointed at Trevor and said, it was him. So Trevor was taken outside for some air. That was Pig's chance, and he climbed on a chair. Those treats will be mine, and I'll gobble them all. But behind all those treats... Uh-oh. Look out. Not good. Was an old bowling ball. Not good. Big problem. These days it's different, I'm happy to say. Pig has stopped lying, hip hip hooray. He may have some bruises and one less front tooth, but he sure learned his lesson. And that is the truth. Oh man, that's what happens when a bowling ball falls on your head. Eek. Okay guys, that's going to wrap things up for today. Hopefully you guys thought things went smoothly, and if you have any questions, you can have your families email me. I'm here to reach out, and I'll try to get back to you as quick as I can. I get like 30, 40, 50, 80 emails a day, and it's a lot, but I'm all over it. So if you need anything, let me know, and I'm here if you need anything. Bye.